Hello kids. Zoom in Crazy Mother has got the stories of Ramayana for children, and my first chapter is on Zoom in Crazy Mother on YouTube, the full version, and today I'm going to start with the second chapter, The Breaking of the Bow. Demons had been disturbing the peace at sage Vishwamitra's hermitage. So he requested Dashrath, king of Ayodhya, to send his eldest son Ram to get rid of them. Ram and his younger brother Lakshman killed the demons and restored peace in the hermitage. Sage Vishwamitra was pleased. One day he suggested to the brothers, "Let us leave for Janakpur." "What is happening there?" Ram inquired. "King Janak has organized his daughter Sita's Swayamvar. She shall choose her husband through a contest. Great kings and nobles want to try their luck." "What is the contest?" Lakshman asked. "Whoever breaks the mighty bow of Lord Shiva shall win Sita's hand in marriage," Sage Vishwamitra replied. "We shall be happy to accompany you," Ram said. The three set off to Janakpur. On the way, Sage Vishwamitra explained, "The bow once belonged to Lord Shiva but is now in King Janak's possession. Sita is King Janak's adopted daughter. He had discovered her as a baby in a furrow while he was plowing a field." After a long journey, the three reached Janakpur, a majestic city. It had lush orchards and gardens, lovely lakes and ponds with fountains, and fine squares and bustling markets. The royal palace had bejeweled tapestry and staircases. King Janak received Sage Vishwamitra and the two princes warmly. Impressed with Ram and Lakshman's regal bearing, he asked Sage Vishwamitra, "O sage, who are these warriors, resplendent like the sun and the moon?" "The gems of Raghu dynasty, the son of Dashrath, king of Ayodhya," Sage Vishwamitra replied. At dawn the following morning, Ram and Lakshman visited the royal garden to collect flowers for their morning prayers. There, Ram and Sita saw each other and were smitten. That night, Ram slept late. He kept thinking about Sita. Early next morning, and excited, Lakshman woke him up. "Today is the day of the bow contest." "Yes, Lakshman," Ram smiled. Sage Vishwamitra, Ram, and Lakshman arrived at the palace, prepared for the contest. It was teeming with people. "Have the bow brought in," King Janak ordered. 500 people pulled a large 8-wheeled box with the bow. "Behold," King Janak announced, "this is Lord Shiva's bow. When Sita was a child, she moved this bow. I had decided then that she would marry the man who could break this bow. Even mighty warriors like Ravan and Bansura could not do that." Then Sita was summoned. As she entered with her companions, garland in her hand, everyone was captivated with her beauty. "Whoever can break this bow of Lord Shiva shall win the hand of princess in marriage," the court board announced. Many kings and nobles tried their hand, but none could lift the bow. When everyone had failed, a saddened King Janak said, "Alas, my daughter shall remain unwed, as there is no hero amongst you who can even lift the bow, let alone string it or break it. Please return to your kingdoms, as I cannot break my vow." Lakshman was furious. King Janak should not speak this way while the princes of the Raghu dynasty are present. Then he said to Ram, "If you permit me, I shall pluck this bow like a flower and break it into two." Ram smiled and asked him to sit down. "Ram, go and break the bow," sage Vishwamitra said. Ram bowed before the sage Vishwamitra and rose. He looked at Sita, who was seated on a throne, a vision of beauty and grace. Then he walked up to the box and lifted the bow with ease. The crowd was amazed. But as soon as he tried to string it, the bow broke into two halves. The sound of the bow breaking could be heard miles away. The crowd cheered loudly while Sita and Lakshman looked at Ram proudly. King Janak was delighted. Sita placed the garland around Ram's neck, and the two were united in holy matrimony. This is the second chapter of the Ramayana stories. I will come back with another chapter just tomorrow. Do like, follow, and subscribe my channel, Zoom In Crazy Mother, on YouTube, and also follow me on Instagram. Share and listen to Ramayana stories with me for children on Zoom In Crazy Mother. Bye bye. Take care.